If you're over 40 and starting to notice that your body doesn't bounce back like it used to, you're not alone. Maybe you've felt your strength slipping, or you've noticed it's harder to keep muscle on your frame even though you're still active. The truth is, muscle aging is real, and it can sneak up on you faster than you think. But what if I told you that you could actually reverse muscle aging, not with expensive supplements or endless hours in the gym, but with 5 powerful foods that most doctors never mention? Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what those foods are, why they work, and how you can start using them to rebuild your strength, energy, and confidence starting right now. Let's start with a hard truth. After 40, your body's natural production of muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone begins to decline. Your metabolism slows, recovery takes longer, and your risk of muscle loss, what scientists call sarcopenia, goes up every single year. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. In fact, the latest research shows that what you eat can have a dramatic impact on how your muscles age. The right foods can help you build new muscle, repair damaged tissue, and even turn back the clock on cellular aging. The problem? Most people are eating the wrong things, foods that spike inflammation, drain your energy, and accelerate muscle breakdown. That's why it's so important to know exactly what to put on your plate if you want to stay strong, lean, and active for decades to come. So, what are the 5 foods you must eat after 40 to reverse muscle aging? Let's dive in. First up, wild-caught salmon. This isn't just a trendy health food, it's a powerhouse for muscle health. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein, which your body needs to repair and build muscle fibers. But what really sets it apart is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. Studies show that omega-3s don't just fight inflammation, they actually help your muscles respond better to resistance training, boost protein synthesis, and slow down the loss of muscle mass as you age. Just 2 servings a week can make a noticeable difference in your strength and recovery. If you don't like salmon, other fatty fish like sardines or mackerel can offer similar benefits. Second, let's talk about Greek yogurt. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat to build muscle. That's why you need not just more protein, but better protein. Greek yogurt is a superstar because it's rich in casein and whey, 2 proteins that are absorbed at different rates, giving your muscles a steady supply of amino acids for hours. It's also loaded with calcium and probiotics, which support bone health and digestion. For best results, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fruit or nuts. This keeps your blood sugar stable and gives you a powerful muscle-building snack any time of day. Third on the list is eggs. Don't let old myths about cholesterol scare you away. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of nutrition on the planet. The yolk is packed with vitamins D, B12, and choline, all of which are crucial for muscle function and recovery. Eggs also contain leucine, an amino acid that acts as a trigger for muscle protein synthesis. In fact, research shows that eating whole eggs after a workout leads to greater muscle growth than eating egg whites alone. Aim for 1 to 3 eggs a day, depending on your overall diet and health goals. Fourth, let's add a plant-based powerhouse, lentils. As you get older, your body's ability to process carbohydrates and maintain stable blood sugar becomes more important for muscle health. Lentils are loaded with plant protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium, all nutrients that support muscle repair, energy production, and healthy metabolism. They're low in fat and easy to add to soups, salads, or as a side dish. Lentils help keep your energy steady, reduce inflammation, and provide the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow. Finally, the fifth food is pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a secret weapon for anyone over 40. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, nutrients that most people are missing, but that are essential for muscle contraction, hormone production, and fighting the oxidative stress that accelerates muscle aging. Just a small handful a day can help you sleep better, recover faster, and keep your muscles firing on all cylinders. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or eat them as a snack. Now, you might be wondering, do these foods really make a difference, or is this just another health trend? The answer is clear. Multiple studies have shown that people who eat a diet rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and key micronutrients maintain more muscle, recover faster, and stay active longer than those who don't. But it's not just about adding these foods, it's about making them a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key. Try building your meals around these 5 foods, and you'll notice more energy, better workouts, and a stronger, leaner body in just a few weeks. Of course, food is only part of the equation. To truly reverse muscle aging, you need to combine smart nutrition with regular strength training, quality sleep, and stress management. But if you're looking for a simple, science-backed way to get started, these 5 foods are your foundation. They're easy to find, delicious, and proven to work, even if your doctor never mentioned them. So, if you're ready to take control of your health after 40, start with your next meal. Add wild-caught salmon, Greek yogurt, eggs, lentils, and pumpkin seeds to your shopping list. Your muscles and your future self will thank you.